Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get the processor in Subnautica 2. So first of all, we'll need the blueprints. These can be found by going from the life pod towards north about 300 meters. Here you'll find the old habitat outpost in which you can find a blueprint, a fragment of the processor. So make sure you got a scanner at your hand and some kind of a transportation. Also, you don't need to worry because there shouldn't be any big enemies around, only these small guys. So once you've arrived at the old habitat, you want to go to this site, this building. So now you want to go straight ahead to this giant room, and here through this hole in the ceiling, and you should find the processor right here. So you can go ahead and scan it, and once you've scanned it, go back to the tadpole, and we can go ahead and travel back to our base. The processor can be made from some basic materials, which include the titanium, mild acid, some copper wire. The titanium can be gathered from rock formations. As you can see, just like this one, here you can find some titanium. Also, another thing is mild acid, which you can get and craft in the fabricator from these acidic rayon pouches. And the last thing, copper wire, can be gathered from caves, or copper ore can be gathered from sealing inside of caves and then crafted into copper wire inside of the fabricator. As you can see, here's the mild acid, on which you'll need also 1 copper and 2 times acidic rayon pouch. Now you can pick out your habitat builder, select the processor, and place it down whenever you want. And to use it, on the left side here, you'll see the option configure processor. This is going to allow you to choose a recipe. For example, we can choose the mild acid. And after you've selected your recipe, go ahead and select load processor. This is going to take all the necessary items from your base, from chests and lockers, or your inventory, and place it inside of the processor, which is then going to use it to produce the recipe. And on the right side of the processor, here you'll see the output, from which you can take your items. So this is pretty much all you need to know about the processor in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.